Hi guys. So I'm going to do a couple unboxing today. This is the 2018 limited edition Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. I did get last year's one also, and it is in my the unboxing for that is in my YouTube channel, so you can go check that one out to see how it was last year. So anyway, let's get into it. I haven't opened it. I haven't watched any YouTube unboxing. So we'll open it together and get surprised. Okay, it's a red box, same as last year. It says, never naughty, always nice. And it says, let us sew, let us sew, let us sew. 2018 limited edition Jolly Box. There's a cute little house and some trees. So let's see if there's any codes in the back. There is. It says no much savings. Take 25% off all Fat Quarter bundles. And there's a promo code which I'm covering up because it's only for the people who bought this box. So anyway, there's some cute little bundles in there. And here's a normal you know, where it tells us what everything is in here plus the price. So I believe it was $29.98 for this box plus shipping, but I'll put everything in the description below as usual. So let's get into it. I'll open this last. So let's see, there is a Pilot Frixion green erasable, which we can use for marking our fabric, and when you hit it with a hot iron, the mark goes away. I also use these in my planning, so because I like to, you know, erase anything, and you use this to erase it if you're using it on paper. So that's good. Green. I noticed that there was a red one also. So green and red, Frixion colors, and it's like a marker. So it's not. It seems like it's a marker instead of a ballpoint pen. So that's nice. You can always use that. I like that. There's some red twine. Take it out of the package. Red twine, which always comes in handy. Red and white. Looks like peppermint candy stripe. Candy cane. I always use these for gift tags or just, you know, any kind of I mean, I love using twine a lot, so this is good. Will come in handy. And there is cookie cutter 2 acrylic template set, double the fun and use as Christmas ornaments, a Jolly Box exclusive. So it looks like acrylic templates. There's that paper backing which you can peel off so it's see-through. It's super cute. It has the tree has the garland and a couple stars and a big hole, so you could, you know, we could use the twine and hang it up as an ornament on your Christmas tree. That's really cute. And the house has the roof line, window etched and frosted, and a star. So that's really cute, and also with the hole. So that's cute. I like that. Oh, let me give you the retail prices. I'm not sure if it's there. Okay, the cookie cutter template value is $9.98. The 2 Frixion pens are $2.96 for both. The twine is $3.48. It's 10 yards, and it's a Jolly Box exclusive. And this looks like it's like stickers. Yep, it's stickers and labels. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's really cute. It's always nice to have labels for your Christmas presents. And this one retails at $2.98. It's also a Jolly Box exclusive. I guess they all are, except for the Frixion pens. Okay, so that is, and I'll put the value again in the description box. This is the cookie cutter quilt pattern, so it looks like we could use the templates for the middle. And it finished size is quite large, 61 1/4 by 77 1/2. So it's a large quilt, and it looks super easy. Yeah, it looks like an easy quilt to do. Limited edition Jolly box, and this retails for $9.98, or the value is $9.98. And I really do like, what I do is I scan this into my computer and save it as a PDF file. So if I lose the paper, or if it, you know, yellows and all that, I like to always have a digital copy. So that's really nice. And now this, I assume, is the fabric. It's super cute in this little bag. It says Fat Quarter Shop in the back. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, the Jolly box. Really like this bag. It's cute. So let's see what we get inside. And this, okay, so there's also, this bag is valued at $4.98. So this also has a value. Sorry for my dogs again. Oliver is barking. Let me open this up so you can see. Okay. So I like these colors. And this is from Stacy Isu. I like her. It's called the North Pole. And it is mini fat quarter bundle, and there's 8 fat quarters, and it retails for $22.98. Again, sorry, the dogs are going, something's bothering them. Maybe someone's at the front door. Alright, sorry, I brought the dogs back in, so hopefully you can hear me. Let's start that over. So here's the fabric. Nice light green background with white pine trees, and a nice sky blue background with a Christmas village or North Pole with cute little Christmas trees, Santa, penguins, super cute, elves, snowmen. Here's the same village with a white background. Here is the Jingle Bells, fa la 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 la, 'tis the season. So here's Christmas sayings with cute little Christmas items and on a white background. And I noticed, sorry. And then here is snowman with white polka dots and blue, light blue background. Here's the same snowman with white polka dots, like snowballs, on a green background, light green background. Here's the pine trees with a light red, pink salmon background with red pine trees. And here's the same pine trees, white pine trees on a light blue, sky blue background. So we have 1, 2, 3 trees with different backgrounds, and then we have 2 snowmen with different backgrounds, and then we have 1 with the saying, and then we have 2 with the Christmas village. So that's cute. I wish that they gave us the Santa, because when I'm looking at, let me bring this back and I'm gonna cover the promo code. When I look at this, I'm assuming that this is the North Pole. So there's like this cute little Santas. I wish we got, you know, some of the Santa, or even like these. But it's really cute. I'm happy with it. I'm glad that we got it, or that I got it. And I probably will continue. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will list everything again down below, what the cost was and what the value is. Okay, thanks guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.